to talk about step number 3, which is pretty much the same method as number 1, saving water while you wash the dishes. Close the faucet. Close the faucet while you're, washing your teeth or cleaning your teeth. And now, when you take a shower, there's definitely a lot of ways where we can save money. Now, normally, we like to take warm showers. And what do? We let the water running, which is really cold right now, okay? So what we do is we let the water running and we just let it fall all the way so it gets warm. Now let me tell you, this water is really cold and there is no way I'm going to get in there until it gets warm. So, we spend about 30 seconds waiting for the water to get warm, nice and warm, like we want it. And then, that's when we just start taking our showers. Now, what I am going to demonstrate is a very good technique. Now, instead of letting the water run and, just wasting all the money, there's 2 things we could do. If you are going to let the water run, you could have a small bucket and you could place it nearby where the water is falling, and you could just pick all that water up or just store it in the bucket. And then you could use it for other things, maybe cleaning the floor, mopping, you could water the lawn. So I have a bucket right here which you can't see, and I'm not moving the camera, and I'm just going to put it there. And what it's going to do is it's going to collect all that water that I'm dropping right now, and I could just recycle that water. So I already talked about way number 1, which was just to put a bucket under the shower, and instead of letting the water just go down the drain, you're just going to pick it up and recycle it. You could use it to maybe water a small garden, you could flush the toilet with it, or maybe even you could just give a quick mop around the floor and have that floor nice and clean. Now the second way is, instead of just standing under the shower and letting all that water drop, you could just fill up a bucket, maybe one of those paint buckets or the laundry detergent buckets, and you fill it halfway and just take a shower 16 ounces at a time. Now remember this bowl? This is the same bowl I used for the kitchen test while I was washing the dishes. Now I'm going to use it again, and I'm just going to take a shower. Now help me count how many 16 ounce bowls I use just to shower my whole body. So here we go. Okay ladies, now I know I have a lot of less hair than you, so maybe this is not a good idea when it's time to wash your hair, okay? But for the guys, it's definitely a good idea. You don't really have to worry about having a lot of water. So, don't sweat it. Remember, use a 16-ounce bowl. Okay, so here you go. I still have some soap right here. Now, how many 16 ounces or 16-ounce bowl did I use? Well, to tell you the truth, I have to watch this video again and count because I lost track. But let me tell you, I definitely have water left on the bucket, and I had half a bucket full, and I still have, I would say, about 3/4 of water still left in that bucket. So you definitely save water.
I am so weak and I'm so tired. It's hard for me to